Hello everybody, I am Kiran Kumar from the Nature of Physics. Today topic is angular velocity linear velocity relation V is equal to R omega. Okay student, for this I am going to discuss first angular velocity omega. The rate of change of angular displacement is called angular velocity. See student, this is considering d theta is the angular displacement, time taken is t, and that particle is moving with angular velocity omega in anti-clockwise direction from A position to B position. So the angular velocity formula omega, which is equal to d theta divided by dt. Rate of change of angular displacement is called angular velocity student. Okay, consider a particle moving in a circular path with angular velocity omega in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so that the small angular displacement d theta is, writing student, angular displacement is equal to arc length divided by radius student. Okay, radius is r. Okay, and arc length d theta, which is equal to, that is representing AB student, divided by radius is r. From this equation, the arc length AB, which is equal to d theta into r, d theta into r student. This I can write as equation number 1. Notice that student, here I am writing AB is the arc length, which is equal to how much I got? D theta into r. Okay student, r into d theta, anything is same only. Okay, next, linear velocity. The rate of change of linear displacement is called linear velocity. Here linear velocity is representing like this student. Okay, linear velocity V is equal ds by dt. So V, which is equal to d by dt of s is displacement is arc length I am considering, that is equal to AB student. Okay, then in this equation, so this is I am writing as equation number 2. Equation number 1 in equation number 2 student, we are going to get the relation between them. So that V, which is equal to d by dt of AB value is r into d theta student, r into d theta. So V, which is equal to r common d theta by dt, writing student. Okay, next step, that is already we got, this is I am writing now angular velocity omega, angular velocity omega, which is equal to, from the definition, d theta divided by dt student. Replacing in the above equation, we will get linear velocity V, which is equal to r into, instead of d theta by dt, that is replacing with angular velocity omega, is equation number 3 is the answer for the given question. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics.